To celebrate Thanksgiving, I, Fafa Bear 8, am proud to present Disney's Disney the Orange Bird. Here. Written and illustrated by Jason Grant and it's Scott Tilley. Special thanks to Nick Balian. Designed by Winnie Ho. Welcome to Florida. Florida is the home of beautiful beaches, these space-age rocket ships, and the Sunshine Tree. Got so many stuff here. Got a lion. The guy looks like one from the Lion King. Had NASA. And we got Walt Disney World. And there's the Sunshine Tree. Here's the Sunshine Tree. What's the Sunshine Tree? It's an orange tree unlike any other tree. Not just because its oranges are the tastiest, but because it's the home of our new friend, the orange bird. Who is the orange bird? A farmer once asked that question too. I never seen a bird like you before, said the farmer. And he had all kinds of birds at his farm. Don't live in Florida. I live in Ohio. Excuse me. The orange bird had leaves for wings and an orange for a head. But what really made a difference was the fact that he could sing, chirp, or whistle. Instead, the orange bird made pictures above his head in an orange cloud like magic. Using some sort of making the sun. That's awesome. The farmer's other birds couldn't make pictures over their heads. They couldn't even draw pictures. Luckily, the orange bird could teach them learning how to make pictures. Every day, the birds help the farmer. They check all his orange to see if they were round, plump, juicy, and perfect for picking. When the birds were done, the farmer loaded his truck, put his cat Clementine in the house, then took his oranges to the market. Once the bird's work was finished, it was playtime. Swimming in the pond, riding goats, eating citrus swirls. Yum! While the birds had fun outside, Clementine had sat inside the house and watched. Excuse me. She didn't want to play with the birds. She wanted to catch them. One day, Clementine got her chance. The farmer had left a window open. Clementine leapt for a bird, and with her paws and claws outstretched, she managed to nab it in mid-flight. Oh no. The orange bird must do something. The bird squawked for help. The other birds were scared. The Clementine, she was big, strong, and mean. The orange bird had to do something. He was afraid, but his friend needed help. So he gathered all his courage and sprang into action. He made a picture of a big stop sign and appeared over his head, above his head. Clementine only hissed and knocked him away. The orange bird thought maybe a growling dog would scare the cat off, but Clementine ignored that too. Then he had an idea. A big one. The orange bird made his biggest picture yet. It was a picture of the farmer. Clementine knew it was fake. But then the picture suddenly yelled, "Clementine!" To everyone's surprise, the real farmer stepped through the cloud and grabbed Clementine. "This the way to treat. That's the way to treat your friends, Clementine," he said. As the farmer put Clementine back in the house, all the birds cheered for the orange bird. He had saved the day! Now, our new friend with an orange for a head and leaves for wings will be everyone's friend forever. Awesome.